Hi friends, welcome to this new-ish channel. I've had this channel for over 10 years, and when I first started it, I was posting consistently, at least weekly, for a few years. It was when I moved to Guam from Russia, and I was just making a lot of videos about Russian living in Guam or videos about Guam for tourists, like so for when Russian tourists come visit Guam, because there was a lot of them when I first moved, and I thought it would be useful information. And also I loved living in Guam, and it was just so beautiful, and I was so inspired by it, so I loved making videos about Guam, living in Guam, and things like that. But that is why, okay, I have my little fidget for the video. That is why I have a lot of videos in Russian. This is gonna be my first English video on this channel. And from now on, it's all gonna be in English. I have so many topics I would love to cover. I already have a business related, like small business related YouTube channel called From Alley, but I wanted to make more videos that are not related to business because I feel like I love to travel. I love making videos in general. So I like making travel vlogs, talk about trying to stay healthy in your 30s, being vegan for almost 10 years, and also sharing some of my thoughts about living in the US versus living in Russia. I have some videos that I recently discovered of me as a baby in Russia, and I want to put a video together about like growing up in Russia in the 90s. I feel like it could be so fun for an English speaking person to see that kind of, vibe. Also, last time I went to Russia, I interviewed my grandma. I just asked her a bunch of questions about like her childhood and things like that. So there's so many different ideas I have for this channel. I've had these ideas for months. I've just been kind of struggling figuring out whether I should start a new channel or try to revive this channel but switch it to English. So this is what I decided to do, and I hope you stay and join my little adventure. I feel like I always have something going on, at least in my brain. That's what I meant. I don't really always have something going on, but I feel like there's just so many things I have that I would love to share, some stories. I went on a couple trips where I didn't bring my camera, so it would be more like story times. Like one of my favorite ones was I went to Australia in 2024, and actually after that trip was when I decided to buy this camera. It was a fun trip. It was a solo trip. I went on a road trip, and I just wish I had a video about it. So I'm gonna put that together for sure. I have so many other ideas, but I just wanted to put this video out there just so you know what's going on, why there's so many videos in Russian. Oh yeah, I'm from Russia, but now I live in Kentucky. But in the last 11 years, which is how long I've been living here, I've lived in Guam, Salt Lake City, Central Coast, California, and now in Louisville, Kentucky. So yeah, I moved quite a lot in the last 11 years. But I'm excited to make more videos in English because I feel like I'm already doing that for my business channel. And I just love making videos, and I would love to make more videos, just more videos about different things. I hope you stick around, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!